This video will demonstrate the use of special tool, rotor shaft holder and generator pulley remover. These tools are used in combination to remove or install the alternator pulley. Using rotor shaft holder and generator pulley remover. To remove the alternator pulley, mount the special tools on the bench vise as shown. Now mount the alternator assembly on the special tools in such a way that special tool fits on the rotor shaft of the alternator. Install a suitable extension to the special tool and loosen the pulley by rotating it in clockwise direction. Remove the alternator assembly. The pulley can now be removed from the generator by hand. To install the alternator pulley, mount the special tools on the bench vise. Install the pulley by hand on the alternator rotor shaft. Mount the alternator on the special tools. Install a torque wrench to the special tool and tighten the pulley to specified torque by rotating it in the anti-clockwise direction. Advantages and benefits. These tools help in easy and quick removal of alternator pulley. This saves time and prevents damage to alternator components. They also help to tighten the pulley at specified torque, which ensures it's trouble-free.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.